Hi, this is Mike. Welcome to Refab. I am affiliated with Amazon. If I use a part purchase from Amazon, I will include a link in the description. If you use a link and purchase anything, I will get a small kickback, which helps support this channel. If I use any Amazon items, I will flash a notice like this. For the brakes, I have an old go-kart disc brake, or mechanical disc brake. First, I'm going to break the rust off it with a wire wheel. Hello? Hello? Is anybody out there? Hello? Hello? Is anybody out there? If you're okay, if you're still alive, smash the like button. Let me know you're okay, okay? Next I have to make a bracket that fits inside these grooves. Okay, this 1/4 inch flat stock is the closest thing I have. So I'll cut a U shape out of it. There. Now I can slide in and out as the brake pads wear or the brake motor gets warped. Okay, got my connector made. And I made a couple cable holders that I'm going to weld to the frame. I got to make an exhaust pipe. I got one on the shelf somewhere, but I can't find it. This is a piece of that steering tube I cut off. Here's the gasket. It's just about looking perfect. I cut it out freehand with the plasma cutter. That looks absolutely horrid. But it'll work. It's on the bottom. Nobody will see it. Yeah, this is somebody's homemade grinder that I picked up at a yard sale for 20 bucks. I turned it from this into this. It actually might be usable now. There we go, got my header pipe made up, and it includes a genuine piece of conduit. And finish off with one go-kart racing muffler. Ordered wiring harness for $10 to $15. Got shipped from China, took 3 weeks to get here, and it's not right. I ordered a key switch for $10 to $15 more than both of those. I got this. This is a complete electrical system for the pit bike motor. Let's see what's in it. This comes with a basic diagram, which is better than no directions at all. Then I got the other one. So the voltage regulator, coil, spark plug. I don't know if it fits my engine or not. Oh, look at that. Wire harness. I'll save that for something else, I guess. Key switch, solenoid, and a fuse. This is supposed to fit all pit bikes from 50 cc's up to like 125 or 150. Let's see if it fits. We shall see. Oh, this ain't gonna work. So I looked it over. Most of the wire colors are the same, except the charging coil on this one has 2 yellows. This one has a white and yellow. So I'm going to change the plug on the harness to fit this. Here's a handy little plug kit I got from Amazon. Okay, you got them all. Got the plug made up. Yeah, my only concern is this regulator. The fire might not be able to handle the load from these coils. Okay, I'm back. This is the next day. My battery is right flat dead, so I had to charge it. Yeah, the thing won't turn over. Put the start button. Apparently the brake switch has to be made for it to work. We do have spark. For the gas tank, I'm going to steal it off this old generator. If I can get the generator running, does anybody want to see me make a hybrid go-kart? Just leave a comment. Alright, let's see if it's going to start. My next video I'll button up the wiring and get the gas tank mounted and it'll be drivable.